Overview of Apprentice System 770 head. There are 5 ratchet handles and 5 adjustment knobs on the head. The ratchet handles are located at the top, 2 on the back, and 2 ratchet handles on the bottom. The ratchet handles must be loosened before any of the adjustment knobs can be used. There are 2 adjustment knobs on top that raise and lower the casting. There's 2 adjustment knobs on back which move it front and back, and there's adjustment knob on the side to move the casting from side to side.